Nothing is solid. Hello, this is one shot to the future. Look at your hand. Look at this chair. They look solid, right? Wrong. Under a powerful microscope, they are just empty space and atoms vibrating at high speed. Everything in the universe is energy vibrating at a specific frequency. This is not magic. This is quantum physics. Nikola Tesla said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Understanding this law is the only way to unlock the reality you want." The radio analogy. Imagine you want to listen to 91.9 FM, like jazz music, but your radio dial is tuned to 88.1 FM, like static noise. Can you pray for jazz? Can you beg for jazz? No. Until you turn the dial, the jazz music will never play. It's already there in the air, but you are not resonating with it. Your life works exactly the same way. Wealth has a frequency as confidence, abundance, ease. Poverty has a frequency as fear, desperation, anger. You cannot broadcast desperation and expect to hear wealth. It is physically impossible. You get what you are. The law of attraction is actually the law of resonance. You don't attract what you want. You attract what you are. If you are vibrating at the frequency of, "I need money," the universe hears need, which means lack. So it sends you more situations where you need money, like attracts like. A tuning fork only vibrates when a matching note is played. To get rich, you must stop vibrating like a victim. You must feel the relief and gratitude of wealth before the money arrives. Fake it until you become it. This is why successful people tell you to act as if. It's not about lying. It's about tuning your dial. Walk like you are rich. Talk like you are confident. Force your internal vibration to match your desired reality. When your signal matches the target, the reality must manifest. It's the law. Stop fixing the mirror. Fix your face. Stop fixing the world. Fix your frequency. In the next video, we will finally introduce the ultimate tool for controlling reality. What is reality transurfing? Thank you. This was one shot to the future.